a revolutionary technology developed within a research group at NYU Abu Dhabi, NYU AD, could dramatically improve the well-being of diabetic patients through a simple and straightforward way. An insulin oral delivery system that could replace traditional subcutaneous injections without the side effects caused by frequent injection. Using prepared layers of nanosheets with insulin loaded in between layers to protect it, researchers developed gastro-resistant immune-linked covalent organic framework nanoparticles (NCOFs) that exhibited insulin protection in the stomach as well as in diabetic test subjects whose sugar levels completely returned to normal within 2 hours after swallowing the nanoparticles. The findings were published in the journal Chemical Science. Compared to the two FDA-approved technologies for the oral delivery of insulin, the system developed at NYU AD is biocompatible, highly stable in the stomach, specific, and able to deliver the right amount of insulin based on the diabetic subject's blood sugar levels. This treatment represents a step forward in treating this disease that is the 7th leading cause of death worldwide. The researchers say that their work overcomes insulin oral delivery barriers by using insulin-loaded NCOF nanoparticles which exhibit insulin protection in the stomach as well as a glucose-responsive release. This technology responds quickly to an elevation in blood sugar but would promptly shut off to prevent insulin overdose and will dramatically improve the well-being of diabetic patients across the UAE and worldwide.